take pictures all the time, so it's just like.
They're cute. Actually, I think I don't know what they play with. What type of ball. We play tennis ball. Oh. I wouldn't that wouldn't be fun. No, these are plastic balls. They're horrible. I just it was paddle ball and we played It's amazing.
I love these little elves.
Gentle.